how'd you get in? Because there's one guy there and it's dead. I'm gonna try and sneak past while he's busy. Okay, so I was in the lobby and then the cleaner started cleaning and then a security guard said they've got to clear the lobby. So I've had to leave. The downside of having to leave is that the time is 22 minutes past 3 in the morning. That ain't ideal at all. On the plus side, there's another hotel here, so I'm just gonna go in there. Toba, I don't think we're the only ones doing no money challenges in London, mate. Someone else is sleeping on the couch over here. Right, I'm all settled. I've just sit down, opened the computer, absolutely nobody here. Nobody said anything to me either, so I think I'm gonna be sound here now. The time is 9 minutes past 4 in the morning, so I'll try and fit an hour's sleep in, 2 if possible, and then we'll head out. Morning, I look knackered, literally I'm on like 1 hour's sleep. But now it is time to leave this hotel. Right, I'm out the hotel and I'm on my way to see Toba. The time now is 9:38 and he's probably about 20 minutes away from me. It's just started raining, the camera's getting soaked. Need to get a brolly from somewhere. Excuse me, I know it's a bit of a strange request, but do you have an umbrella by any chance?
I can find out from upstairs.
Yes, please, thank you.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much for your help.
We don't have any. You can try a different store, maybe they might have.
Ah, okay, I will do. Thank you so much for even trying, thank you. Right, no luck there, let's try somewhere else. Bit of a strange request, but you wouldn't have to have an umbrella by any chance.
We haven't got any left.
Ah, okay.
Sorry.
Thanks very much for your help anyway, cheers. Right, we're just gonna have to get soaked for now until I find somewhere. We will get a brolly. Bit of a strange request. Sure. Do you have any brollies at all?
No, not that I know of.
No, where can I get one from, mate?
I don't know where you can get free stuff from.
No
Let
worries,
me know if
mate.
you find something.
Yeah, I will. I'll come back and tell you. Cheers, mate, thank you. Hi, where can I get an umbrella from at all?
We don't have any more left.
Yeah,
we
was
have
that just
given
give the
them
last
all.
one?
Ah,
We
you're
just gave the
joking.
last one, yeah.
Thanks very much anyway. Cheers, thank you. She's give the last one away, come on. Right, we've got to get one. Oh, look at that, just rubbing it in my face. I haven't got any money to buy one. It's not even going to be worth getting one in a minute because I'm going to be completely wet through. Right, let's try it here. Oh my god, they have got umbrellas. I'm not just going to take one, though, I am going to ask. Is it possible to take an umbrella or so? Yeah. Is that okay, yeah? Cool, thank you very much. And we have managed to get one, a proper one as well. Can I give a big thank you to, I don't know what the hotel's called, but it's that big posh one there. So now I'm all sorted and I'm back on my way. I just want to start off by saying thank you so much to everyone, because this morning I hit 50,000 subscribers. 50,000? Nearly the same amount of people that's in my hometown where I was brought up. That is crazy. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you enough for all the support, the comments, the messages. Blows my mind on a daily basis. When I was putting on a suit walking into an estate agent every morning, never did I think one day I'd be walking around London absolutely skint with a camera. As a small way of me saying thank you back, I'm going to do a skint giveaway. I'm going to give away 3 snapback hats, 1 t-shirt and 1 hoodie with the new skint design, which isn't out yet. All you've got to do is like and comment on this video and then go over to my Instagram and tag 2 people in my last post, and then I'll pick 5 people before this challenge ends. Good luck, and I am now just getting to King's Cross station. Toba's just texted to say that he's sat in Starbucks by the stations. I'm going to meet him there instead. How are you, mate?
I'm alright.
Mate, what is this? You've got yourself a bike? I thought I was being impressive with my brolly and you've got a bike. Mate, I'm going to try and get a free coffee. Do you want one?
Hell yeah.
Let's give it a go. Just 2 refills, please. I'm sat around the corner.
But I need the cups.
Ah, okay, cool. No worries.
Just one?
Yeah, no, it's 2, but I managed to save the lid that shut the other one. Cheers, thank you. Sweet, thank you very much. Thank you. Cheers, mate.
Wow. Bro, you're something else, you.
Who do you think won day 2?
What does winning entail?
Well, that's the thing. How do you judge who's won? Because day 1, you obviously got a lot more food than me. So if you were judging it off food, you hands down won. I'm willing to give you day 1.
You're willing.
I'm taking day 2 though.
Yeah.
And I'm taking day 3. I think we've said this before as well, but it's the sleep. That's the killer. It's like now we're awake, it's not too bad. When you've not slept at all and like that initial period in the morning, it's just like an exhausted feeling, isn't it?
Makes you want to quit.
It makes you want to, but never in a million years will I quit. The time now is literally midday, so we've been in here for quite a bit now, and look at the weather outside. It's still hammering it outside. Today's going to be a tough day without weather, mate.
You got an umbrella, so you're set.
Mate, where's your umbrella? Where's your brolly, mate? Same place, 10 o'clock tomorrow. Sweet, look forward to it. Have a good one, mate. I'll see you later. As if he's got a bike. What a guy. Right, the rain stopped, the brolly's down, which I've attached to my bag. Plan for today. I've literally got no plan, as I don't have a plan any days. I just go with it. I'm gonna head down towards Westminster, Houses of Parliament. I don't know, I might just see something that I really want to do. And I need to get food today from somewhere. I haven't got a clue where, and I'm okay for now, but as it gets later, I'm definitely gonna have to get something. And last but not least, it is my birthday tomorrow. I would love to find somewhere to sleep tonight, so I'm not waking up on a toilet floor on my birthday. So to summarise the plan for today, I want to do something fun slash touristy slash educational slash have a laugh. 2, get some food, and 3, hopefully find somewhere decent to sleep. So let's see how we get on, but first I'm going to head towards the Thames. And we have made it back at the Thames. It was some walk that, but we've got London Eye, boat I went on the other day, Big Ben with the scaffolding. I've got to say, London is a nice place. Like, look at the views from here. I've got to say though, the colour of that water's no Sydney Harbour, let me tell you. Right, I am now literally underneath the London Eye. What is there to do around here? Let me have a look. Here we have the Sea Life Aquarium London. Literally, haven't been in Sea Life since I was like 3. How'd you get in? Because there's one guy there and it's dead. I think this is actually the only option. I'm gonna try and sneak past while he's busy. So that's only the box office. This is the line here. Where's the exit? I'll just go in through the exit. In fact, I'm gonna try and go through the fast track entrance. Hi. People have just gone through, I've just missed them. Can I go and join them? Is that okay?
What do you mean people have just gone through?
Like my crew have just gone through.
They didn't tell me anything about it.
Okay.
Do you know what they look like?
Yeah, 2 male, 2 female. That narrows it down?
Yeah, you can go through. I need to scan the rest. Yeah, I need to scan everything. Sorry, carry on.
Yeah, so is it okay?
What do they look like, sorry?
2 female, 2
Yeah,
male.
there's
2 with brown hair, 2 with blonde hair.
Glasses, not glasses.
1 with glasses, 3 without.
I think I remember this.
Is that okay, yeah? Sweet, thank you very much.
You can take a picture, no flash.
Yeah, no, that's fine, no flash. All it's just camera equipment, mate, and a hoodie. All good, mate? Cheers, thank you. So we're in Sea Life. That is the bizarrest way I have ever got into anywhere, by the way. Just go and have a look. I've been in Sea Life for like 20 years. Holy can you imagine if that broke? Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
where can I see it? Oh, I haven't got one. Where can I see this photo?
You see them right at the end, after the gift shop.
Sweet.
Yeah?
It'll be a laugh to see it. Thank you. Say cheese.
Right, thank you.
Cheers, thanks. I wonder how that photo comes out. Now let's check out Sea Life. That is the end. Let's see how this picture turned out. Can you show me my picture, please? Thank you. Let's see how this turned out.
Here's the photo. We have you swimming with the turtle,
Swimming with the turtles.
smiling with the sharks,
Smiling with the shark.
and lastly with the penguins.
It's £18 for the whole book.
No, for one photo.
For one photo, it's £18.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't afford that.
Thank you.
That's quality. That I had a really good time in there. That's actually a really, really good day out, by the way. I've just come out and look what happens to be here. Right, let's give Mackey's a go. Just ordered some food. I'm missing a large Big Mac meal. What time is it? I'm not quite sure. It's like literally by here 5 minutes ago.
A large Big Mac meal, yeah?
Yeah, that's correct.
We don't have any large Big Mac meal in this station.
Sorry, mate, my bad. I'm missing a double cheeseburger and a large fries. I thought it was a Big Mac, sorry.
Double cheeseburger and large.
A double cheeseburger and a large fries.
Double cheeseburger takes time. I can give you the 2 cheeseburgers, okay?
Yeah, 2 cheeseburgers and a fries, that's great. Thank you, mate. Thank you very much for your help, mate. Appreciate it, thank you. Nice little day out, that. Day in SeaWorld and a free Mackey's. Can't complain with that. Right, so with the to-do list, number 1 was to do something touristy. Check that off. Second one was to get some food. Done that. All I need now is to find somewhere to sleep tonight. So I'm going to find somewhere relatively quiet to eat this because it is so busy around here. And then we'll get to work on finding somewhere to sleep tonight. I'm just thinking the guy at McDonald's gave me 2 cheeseburgers instead of a double. I don't need 2 cheeseburgers. Let's find someone to give one to. Excuse me, I've got an extra cheeseburger if you want one. I don't have any water or money on me.
Coca-Cola, cola.
I've got no money.
No money, no. Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola costs money. I have no money. No worries. See you later, mate. Enjoy the burger. Wait a minute. I've still got those vouchers for Coke, so I can get him a Coke. All good. Thanks very much. There you go, mate.
Thanks.
No worries at all. It's lovely to meet you all anyway. Nice to meet you, mate. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. We'll have a hug. Have a nice day and enjoy the show as well. Lovely, lovely people. And they invited me to Pizza Express for a meal, but I ain't cheating. Right, hopefully this homeless guy's still gonna be there. I can give him the Coke and then I can eat this McDonald's. Mate, it's your lucky day. No worries, you have a good one. See you later, mate. Right, I'm gonna eat my McDonald's now. Right, food finished. I am completely full now. I just need to sort out tonight's accommodation. I'm gonna go in this hotel, do some work, try and sort that out. Right, I've just come out of that hotel and I still haven't got anywhere to sleep. The time now is 9:53 PM. I'm sort of out of options, really. By out of options, I mean, like I've tried Tinder, I'm speaking to a couple of people, but it's nearly 10 o'clock, nothing confirmed. Same with Bumble. Unless a miracle happened with them 2 apps, I ain't sleeping in anybody's house off there tonight. And then you've got couch surfing. I absolutely hammered that on the first night. And I've run out of requests to even ask people, can I stay there now? The only way you can get more is if you pay for it. I haven't got my card on me, so I can't even put the details in to upgrade it. So that's couch surfing out the window. So my plan for tonight, there's been a bit of a change of strategy. Instead of going into hotels and sleeping in the lobby and the toilet, tonight I'm gonna go to a hostel. I'm gonna be honest and tell them my situation and see what the outcome is. I'll tell her it's my birthday as well. That might work in my favour. Right, this is it. It looks quite posh for a hostel. Check that out. I'm trying to be as positive as possible, but I just can't see this working. What have we got to lose? Let's give it a go. I've been living rough the last 3 days. It's my birthday tomorrow, and I was just wondering, is there any way at all you could hook me up with somewhere to stay tonight? Like, even if I was like to help out in some way.
No, we can't do this. We just can't. Trying the same thing in the hostel behind.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much for your help. That definitely went down like a sack of potatoes. I'm gonna try the hostel behind and see what they say. Round the back, she said. Flipping heck. Walking down alleys now. Right, I think this is it on the left. So that's a mic.
Well, it's a name, but I've got the smaller one.
Oh, the Rode mic.
The Rode, that's it, yeah.
Video mic go.
Yeah.
Are you staying in this hostel, are you?
I am.
What's it like?
It's good, it's alright, yeah.
There's not a spare bed in your room, is there?
It's all like segregated, like women and men.
Oh,
yeah.
Is it? Do you think they'll give me a free night?
Probably not a free night, no. Yeah. If you're really shocking it, like, it's like 17 quid. I can find 17 quid to give you.
Honestly?
Honestly, yeah. Go and see if they have a bed and I'll sort it out for you.
You are a legend.
Yeah. She doesn't got any beds or?
No beds.
No beds at all. You're completely full.
See if Central's got a mail dorm for you. Alright, geezer. Have you got a mail dorm for tonight, mate? Okay, sure. It's just £21. He's got a bed.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah, I'm definitely sure. Yeah.
Honestly, I feel so cheeky. Are you honestly?
Yes, I'm totally fine. Like, don't worry about it.
Oh, thank you so much. Cheers. Thanks very much, mate. Thank you. Aisha wants to sort herself out before she gets in the vlog.
Yeah.
What she doesn't know is I filmed the whole conversation on the stage.
No, I don't normally look like this.
Honestly, I feel cheeky. Are you sure about this?
I'm 100% sure about it. This is a good thing that there are good people in London.
Yeah.
Because London is probably the most toughest city ever. People are quite arrogant, not all the time. There's some nice people.
You might get some stick for saying that on here.
No, London people are very lovely. They're the nicest people ever.
Do you know law of attraction?
Yeah, of course.
I
know
love it, like
attraction.
Secret
It's so
and all
true.
that.
Yeah, I love
exactly.
Secret, yeah.
I live by the law of attraction.
So what's your favourite book you've ever read?
It's got to be The Alchemist.
The Alchemist.
Yeah.
You see, I read The Alchemist, but I couldn't get into it. Like,
Read it again. Have you read Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill?
that's another book that's on my list.
Gotta read that.
Yeah. Have you done Rich Dad Poor Dad?
Rich Dad Poor Dad,
That's
Robert
the book.
Kiyosaki. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is the book.
Yeah.
This is it here, is it?
Yeah, right there.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
So my colleague is going to help you with that.
Cool, thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Aisha, this was the best birthday present.
I'm going to give you breakfast.
I get complimentary breakfast. It's my birthday tomorrow as well.
Happy birthday then.
Oh, thank you so much.
No worries.
Thank you.
Alright, no.
Are you sure you're alright walking back?
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine, honestly. Like, I do it all the time.
See you later. Bye. Thank you. My room is
203.
yeah, on the second floor. Thank you very much. Thank you. That is absolutely mental. Nothing happens by accident. Everything happens for a reason. I truly, truly believe that. I'm spending my birthday in a bed. Oh, I am so happy. I can't wait for this. Hey, how's it going? Simon, by the way.
I'm Pete.
Nice to meet you, Pete. Whereabouts are you from, mate?
Czech Republic.
How long are you in London for?
Just this one night. I've been in and out for 5 years now.
To see your accent's very sort of British.
You pick it up after a while, I guess.
I've just come out because I don't want to disturb him, but I've got a bed, I've got a towel, so I'm going to go and grab a shower. I am so grateful to be sleeping in a bed tonight. Thanks again for all the support, the comments, the messages. I see every single one of them. I'm just so sorry that I can't reply to all of them, but I see them all, so thank you so much. It really means a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.